I'm making a VHS today, so that you can learn all my techniques and how I became a professional drummer for over the last 30 years.
When my husband and I moved here 12 years ago, we never found a coffee that we were really excited about. So when we found out that Brandon and Aaron were roasting, I thought maybe we'll try it and see if it works. We both took our first sip and we looked at each other and went, what is this?
Everyone an opportunity to come together and do what they love in a safe environment with good directors.
You're not just words on a page or a dusty old picture propped up in someone's attic. You are more alive than me in every way.
A community that people want to be in, live in, grow in, work in, play in.
We're better and we're stronger when we work together.
What brings us together as a community? It's not just that we live here. It's just not just that we work here. It is that willingness to say, I will be a part of the solution.